Okay, so I got a treat for you guys on Saturday. Now they won't eat all this, so what they don't eat, they can run under it, play with it. It's a banana leaf, a great big banana leaf. They call them banana trees, although I swear banana trees are more like plants. They just grow tall like a tree, but well, they got a hiding place at nothing else. They do. Oh wait, Nacho's starting to eat on it. There we go. Nacho hides under there and pulls pieces off and eat it, but they won't eat the whole thing. It's pretty big. So I guess after they get done eating it, they can hide under it. They won't eat it after they played on it or pee on it or whatever they do. They'll eat some of it, and I only do this once a week. So I thought this is a nice little treat to give the guys. You can see the leaf moving. I hear some piggies. Yes, I do. Now, Beavis. Don't let this hide you. Peekaboo. I see you. Beavis like, well, now put it back down here. But people want to see guinea pig cuteness. Aww. Come on, Beavis, take some more bites. Make it a cute baby. Aww. I filmed Nacho, but he hides too much to really get him on film. Like, Nacho will get scared. Where did little Nacho go? Oh, I don't know. Beavis, where's Nacho? Nacho, you under here? It's okay, Beavis. Oops. Okay, did I ruin everything? Well, you can see Beavis is eating it from over there now. Aww. I love it when I see some guinea pig cuteness. I like it when they eat stuff. Nacho's under there he is. Little Nacho. Whoops. It's just a baby, so Nacho's just a little bit skittish. Hey, little baby. Oh, Nacho. Beavis is still munching away at it, so yeah. Nacho will eat it too. He's just a little. I gotta work with him more, taming him.